includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Ozaki, Racine, Rock, Walworth, Washington, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point, nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeastern Wisconsin. For today and tonight, an unsettled weather pattern will bring thunderstorms at times from Monday through Tuesday night. Strong to severe storms will be